Hello, everybody. This is my E unit. My name is Cole Raring, and I had picked an author theme with Matt Christopher. And when I was going through the choice of books, I ran into Matt Christopher a couple times in the library. So I rented this book out, and it kind of hit home to me because this was probably one of the first, if not the first, chapter book I had read in second or third grade. And around this age, kids kind of start getting into sports, whether it's soccer, t-ball, football, basketball. So I wanted to, relive my childhood and kind of bring those memories into teaching these Matt Christopher books to my students. And these are my books that I had selected. Like I had said earlier, the one I started with was The Kid Who Only Hit Home Runs. There's a Soccer Hero one, Football Nightmare, Hookshot Hero, and then I went into some biographies like the Mia Hamm one, which a lot of people don't really know who Mia Hamm is nowadays because she was more of like the late '90s star for women's soccer. Now it's more like Carly Lloyd, Hope Solo, Alex Morgan, and women like that. LeBron James, all the kids will know, and then Peyton Manning and Eli, they will still know. And then, I went with Play Ball as well. Now here's my ebook, and I created the ebook called Family Time. Family time is the most important time. Family picnics are so fun, you can include everyone. Families go on vacation to create memories that will last a lifetime. Weather brings out some of the best jingles and memories with your family. Birthday parties for a lifetime show just how much you have grown. Halloween allows your family to get creative and crazy. Family time is the most important time. Families go out and see their children perform, sometimes even the biggest group in the crowd. You may struggle with things, but remember your family is there to help you through your struggles. Families can have some of the most creative snack times. Family time is the most important time. And back to my E unit, I do have a guided reading, which is here. Going through my pre-reading, my preview predictions, vocabulary, purpose of reading, then the reading itself, the responding aspect of it, revisit purpose setting question, clarify concepts and vocabulary, supporting comprehension, additional resources, additional purpose setting questions, have the kids explore throughout the chapter, and then applying it to the real life. I also have my shared reading, which I chose Biscuit Finds a Friend. The intro to Biscuit Finds a Friend is about a dog named Biscuit who's out on a walk with its owner. While on his walk, Biscuit finds a few things, including a lost duck. Biscuit's owner picks up the duck and carries it to the pond. The duck is reunited with its mother, father, brothers, and sisters. The duck that was just reunited wants to play with Biscuit. They wolf and quack back and forth with each other. Biscuit somehow ends up falling into the pond with the duck. Biscuit gets out of the pond soaking wet and begins to shake to dry himself off. And I have the different standards included in sight words, alphabet knowledge, concepts of print, phonological phonemic awareness, phonics, and analogizing words. Now, this is my E unit. Once again, I did it with author Matt Christopher, and I hope you enjoyed it.